In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your Facebook password without old password. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and the first off we need to open up Facebook app. Once it's done, tap right here to go to menu. After that, tap at that gear to go to settings and privacy, and then tap at see more in account center. You will be taken to the Meta account center where you need to tap right here at password and security. On the next step, tap at change password. Select your Facebook account. That's where we can change our password. Here we need to enter old one, and then in these two fields we need to enter new one and then re-enter it. However, if you forgot your old password, you can tap right here where it says forgot your password, and then you will be taken to the step where you will get some options here. As you can see, I can choose a way to log in by getting code via WhatsApp, by getting code via email, via Facebook notification, via SMS. All these options I can use to reset my current password and then set new one. I'm gonna choose send code via WhatsApp and then hit continue. Now, on this step, we need to enter a 6-digit code that was sent to our WhatsApp, and here we got this code. Then we can hit right here at copy code. Here we need to paste it and then hit continue. On the next step, we can create a new password. All you have to do is just enter it here and then hit next. That's basically how we can change our Facebook password without old one. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.